He's acting really weird. Hi. That is Ellie. He was outside and then he freaked out and now I've never seen him act like this. He's like shoving his face against me. What the? Wait, who the fuck are you? Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck?
I'm walking down the street. Shit you not, you guys are not gonna believe me, so I have to show you guys. This is shit what I see today. He got a cigarette, a Bud Light, and some donuts. Welcome to LA.